This is Good Morning America.
There's something else that's debuting today. The Disney Animal Kingdom Explorers. It's a new Facebook page, and Tiffany, Elizabeth, and Eric are playing it right now. And basically, you find the animals. It's all on Facebook, so you can hunt it up. You find the animals, and you can set up your own conservation zone with it. So there's even a GMA Jeep right there in the center of it. Yep, there it is right there. So get on Facebook, play the game with us this morning. We are live at Animal Kingdom. Come on, I think I might not come home. George, Robin.
All right, Sam, thank you. I'm sorry.